The items we put into our recycling bins are emptied into collection trucks at the curbside. Once collected, all of Auckland's curbside recycling material is taken to Visi Recycling in Onehunga for sorting. The Visi Recycling facility has some of the most advanced sorting technology in New Zealand and is the country's biggest materials recovery facility, MRF for short. The Visi MRF utilises both people and machines to receive, sort and bale recyclables. First, the recyclables are tipped out of the collection trucks onto Visi's MRF ramp. Visi receives more than 200 truck deliveries each day. A loader driver scoops the recyclables up and tips them onto a conveyor, which takes them inside the sorting building. The recyclables on the conveyor are evened out by a levelling drum as they move along. The very first sorting stage is called pre-sort. This is where a team of sorters work quickly to remove things that aren't recyclable. Sorters pull the non-recyclable items off the conveyor before they can cause damage to the facility or to the good recyclable items. This can be the most important part of the sorting process, and it's done by Aucklanders like you and I. So make sure that what you put in your recycling bin is clean, empty, and not dangerous for sorters to handle. Here, inside the MRF, recyclables are then sorted into their different types: glass, paper and cardboard, aluminium, steel and plastics. Some ingenious technology is used to sort these recyclables, as well as many more people throughout the process. Rotating cylinders called trommels sift out bottles, containers and cans, and separate paper and cardboard from the other recyclables. Each trommel has holes in its walls to allow items to fall through. The holes in each trommel are different sizes to sift out different types of recyclables. Paper and cardboard is further sorted using star screens. These steep screens are made up of rows of star-shaped discs which flick up the paper and cardboard items, causing them to catch the air and flitter up to the top, while heavier items fall off the bottom. Steel items are extracted using a huge magnet. As materials pass under the magnet, all steel items are picked up and then pushed off onto another conveyor. Aluminium items are removed from the mainstream by a different kind of magnetic system called an eddy current, which causes these items to be propelled onto a separate conveyor. Plastic bottles and containers are sorted by an optical sorting machine, which uses infrared light and smart cameras to read the plastic type. Then air jets push individual pieces into the correct chutes. Glass gets broken down into smaller pieces while passing through the first few sorting machines, and then goes to the glass plant, where it is sorted into brown, green, and clear colours using an optical sorting machine, much like the one that sorts the plastics. Finally, sorted recyclables are compacted into large bales ready for transport to processing facilities ready to be made into new products.